Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a beautiful 2017 Ford Police Utility with about 92,000 miles that is now ready to go. Okay, visit our website guys at cainterceptors.com for full pictures of the vehicle and more information of it. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 909-457-5500. And as for Antonio, I'll be happy to help you find the Interceptor you want, or if it's this one, we'll make it all happen, guys. Okay, if you're out of state, we have logistics or vendors that will help you ship your vehicle out to you at a reasonable cost. Okay, all right guys, so this one came out amazing, guys. So here we go. So we have brand new Unity spotlights, non-LED, fully functional. Okay, we have a brand new Weston push bar, brand spanking new, all right, that we installed. Okay, there's two antennas at the top. They're display only. Okay, so let's get this party started, guys. This car is on Goodyear Eagles 245 5518 103V. Okay, so like new tires, okay, all the way around. Check it out, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Remember, guys, all of my cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000-mile limited powertrain service contract that will help you offset any huge or any mechanical breakdowns, right? As long as it's covered within the service contract, period, and or miles. All right. Obviously, guys, there are Explorers, Interceptor 3.7, all-wheel drive, rear parking sensors. Okay. Let's take a look here. Okay, regular 87 gas, guys. Regular 87 unleaded. I know I have one that's I forgot what year it is. That's actually a flex fuel, which I'm pretty stoked about. Like I said, guys, this car is an absolutely gorgeous of a condition. Okay, all of my cars, guys, I do them this good. I don't take any shortcuts. I'm not gonna tell you what you want to hear. I'm pretty honest, and I take pride in all of my cars. So all of my cars will look like this unless I noted that, hey, you know, we didn't do this, or the vehicle has original paint. Okay, so but this car does not have original paint because we painted it. All right, so now let's take a dive in the inside. All right, inside, here we go. So remember, guys, power seats, power power seat to move the seat front and back, and then the back support is obviously manual. Power windows, power door locks, power, obviously, what's it called? Pedals, adjustable pedals, I'm sorry, okay? And yeah, check it out. 93, I'm sorry, 544 on the miles. Okay, look at this Avis center console that we went and had it on this vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then I'll show you the back right now. All right. All right, so let's go to the back. Here we got a Satina setup. Okay, check it out. Hard plastic with seat belts, and the rear metal tray or metal cover. How's that, guys? All of this was installed. We did all of this. All right. All right, so now let's go to, oh, there's the antennas. Nice antennas there that are for display only. All right, so now let me pop the trunk or the deck lid. 1 second. All right, here's the trunk area. Metal tray, beautiful. All right, I'd like to show you all 4 doors. Okay, passenger door in the rear. Seats are in pretty good condition. All right, let's go to the front passenger door. So this car had the ballistic stickers here. You know, it's hard to tell if the vehicle has ballistics panels because how heavy they are, because this Ford has a really heavy window regulator motor that sometimes it could confuse you if it has ballistics panels. I think this one does. It's a little bit heavy, so that's just a bonus. Not like you're gonna be doing any crazy stuff, right? So, all right, and now we're gonna get to the actual engine. 1 second. All right, engine. Remember, guys, we are not our policy on all of our cars, we're never gonna pressure wash the engines. I'm sorry, we're just not. I don't want to hide an oil spill. If it's something on top like that, we fix it, we take care of it. And you know, I don't want to spray anything shiny here. At the most, we'll just, you know, dust it off. That's just our policy, guys. If you want to go ahead and once you buy it, you do whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to be quiet now for a few seconds until you get to hear the actual car at idle. All right, perfect. Cool. Well, that is a quick video on this vehicle, guys. It's 105 degrees here in Southern California in Riverside, and we don't have any real wind helping us out, so I'm gonna just cut this video now as I have to do the Crown Victoria, and that's ready as well. So cool. All right, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, and consider hitting the subscribe button, consider hitting the like button, and share it. Like that, the YouTube algorithm could find more cool people like yourself that are into these types of vehicles. So cool. All right, guys, we'll be in contact. Sorry. Thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one. Have a good day.